Today, I'll show you how to print a double-sided PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This is a handy tool to know when you want to save paper or create professional-looking documents. So let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this with ease. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Once your document is open, navigate to the menu. You can do this by clicking on File, then selecting Print from the drop-down menu. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts like me, there's a faster way to get there. Simply press Ctrl plus P if you're on a Windows computer or CMD plus P on a Mac. This shortcut immediately brings up the print dialog box, saving you a few clicks. Now, here's where you need to pay attention. The location of the double-sided printing option can vary slightly depending on your specific printer driver. However, it's typically located in the main print dialog box. In this window, look for a checkbox that says Print on both sides of paper. This is the key setting you need to enable for double-sided printing. But what if you don't see the Print on both sides option? Don't worry, this might just mean you need to tweak your printer system settings. It's not uncommon and it's an easy fix. Usually, you can find this option under the printer's properties or setup section. Clicking on the Properties or Printer Setup button next to your printer's name in the print dialog box will often lead you to the settings you need. Once you're in the Properties section, look for a tab labeled Layout, Finishing, or sometimes Duplex. These tabs are where you'll typically find the option to print two-sided. Select two-sided here and you're good to go. Remember, each printer can have a slightly different setup. So if you don't see these exact terms, look for something similar. The goal is to find the setting that enables duplex printing, which is just another term for double-sided printing. Once you've selected all the necessary settings, you're ready to print. Hit the OK button to confirm your settings, then click Print to start printing your double-sided document. And that's it. You've successfully set up your document to print on both sides of the paper. This simple method not only helps in cutting down on paper usage, but also gives your documents a neat, professional appearance. I hope this quick tutorial has been helpful. Printing double-sided PDFs in Adobe Acrobat is a valuable skill, especially if you frequently handle documents that require printing. With these steps, you should be able to switch to double-sided printing effortlessly and save resources while doing so. Thanks for tuning in and happy printing.